Hi, in this video we see the first lesson about family. In this video you have an introduction to the basic vocabulary for this topic. Hi, my name is Nina and this is my family. Mother, father and parents. This is my mother. And this is my father. Susan and Frank are my parents. Children, son and daughter. My parents have 3 children. 1 son and 2 daughters. Brother and sister. This is my brother. This is my sister. And this is me. Grandmother, grandfather and grandparents. This is Lily. Lily is my grandmother. This is George. He is my grandfather. They are my grandparents. This is my grandmother, Vera. This is my grandfather, Tim. Lily and George have 3 children. Susan, Liz, and Jack. Vera and Tim have 1 child, Frank. Compare. Lily and George have 3 children. Vera and Tim have 1 child. Sons and daughters. Lily and George have 1 son and 2 daughters. Son, daughter and daughter. Vera and Tim have 1 son. Aunt and uncle. Jack is my uncle. Liz is my aunt. Jack is married to Margaret. Margaret is my aunt. Married, single, husband and wife. Jack is married to Margaret. Margaret is his wife. Margaret is married to Jack. Jack is her husband. Susan is married to Frank. Frank is her husband. Frank is married to Susan. Susan is his wife. Aunt Liz is not married. She's single. Cousins. Jack and Margaret have 2 children. They are my cousins. Grandchildren, granddaughter and grandson. Lily and George have 5 grandchildren. They have 3 granddaughters and 2 grandsons. Granddaughter, granddaughter, granddaughter. Grandson and grandson. Vera and Tim have 3 grandchildren. They have 2 granddaughters and 1 grandson. Granddaughter, granddaughter, grandson. That's all for now. Find more stuff, activities and quizzes on my blog, blog.serena.blog. And if you like the activity, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you very much for watching.